and you can see the camera and you can see me inside. Hebana, you can see me inside the camera looking at. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I am so excited and so tired at the same time because I just came back from work, and literally when I get home, imagine what I got home to. Guys, my husband decided to surprise me with a new phone, and not just the phone, honey. No, honey, not just the phone. Okay, boo boo. Okay, boo boo kitty. Not just the phone. But a sports watch too. What you say? Alright, backstory. Let's just do a quick rewind. Honest truth, it wasn't a surprise. He had already told me he's buying me a phone. So on Sunday we went to MTN and then we took a contract for my new phone, and I'm so excited, guys. But what had happened was, when we were there, they didn't have the exact color that I wanted, so I had to wait up until today, which is Friday, which means I had to wait Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I had to wait that amount of time to get at least a decent color, because the only options that they had were either a blue or a black, so I decided to go with the black one. It is the Samsung Galaxy A31. I know there was another one. Which one is the next one after Labor Baby? A what? A what? 51. There was also an option to get an A51, but according to the explanation, the difference between the two is small. I think this one is just a little bit smaller than that other one, and that one also has like auto charging, don't something of that sort of, like it charges quickly, né? Something like that. Anyway, so we went for this one because it costs less. And guys, if you do not understand what this whole halabaloo is about, what's the noise about, look at what I had been using, guys. I was now thinking probably this phone is giving me cancer some way, somehow. It's leaking radiation on me. That's what I was thinking. And I think I've had this phone for over a year now. No? A year? No, I've had this phone for... When did I get this phone, baby? Could be
2 years probably.
2 years, but like from the moment I had it, I dropped it, and then so
3 years actually, because you paid for 2 years.
Oh yes, 3 years. Yes, this phone is sick and tired. It's been through the most. I am happy to be tossing it out of my life and getting rid of it, because that phone, it just was. Guys, I've got a smartwatch now. I can exercise and everything. So I wanted to unbox my new devices with you guys. I'm so excited. Like I'm so excited. I am very excited. So I am going to unbox them with you guys. But if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Join my family, and I promise you will never regret it, and it's free, guys. Subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below if you have used a Samsung device before and what your experience with it has been, and whether you are team Android, team iPhone, is it iPhone, Apple, team Huawei, is Huawei Android? Whatever, guys, whatever. You get what I mean. Let me know in the comment section below, and let's get into it. Alright, so we're gonna start with the phone. Don't live life there, live a Galaxy A life, baba. I'm living the life. And in case you're wondering, the cash price for this phone is 5,000 something. I'm gonna insert the price up here, 5,000 something, and it's available on contract. I got both the phone and the watch as a deal, a package deal, instead of purchasing both separately. So I'm going to put the price for the phone, the cash price for the watch. And you know, I am so excited to get this phone in, because I've been struggling to do Instagram stories and stuff, because look at this, guys. Even the camera quality on it, like the camera got busted. So like literally front and back camera are busted, so I couldn't even go live or like film YouTube stories. what is it, Instagram stories. But now at least I know, okay, I can start filming my stories and then interacting with you guys. And you know, anyways, if you are not following me on Instagram, what are you waiting for? Once you're done watching this video, find me on Instagram at yeukai.loreen so that we can stay in touch like this, and so that you can be updated with activities that are happening today in my life, fun updates. I'm sharing everything, my skincare, healthy habits, crushing it in 2021, baba. Yes, that's what we're gonna be doing. Okay, so there's 2 items that almost fell out when I opened. I'm assuming this is the USB cord. Yes, it came with this little USB cord, and these are the earphones. Betuna, I'm so grateful. Shame. Yo, bendigoa ngale phone. Bendigoa ngale phone. Uthi xa uyibeka apha endlebeni ikusike sana. Ikusike indlebe leyi. Oh, shame. Hey, I'm so happy to see this phone go. Like literally sitting in the taxi typing like this, my finger would be cut by this thing here. Can you see? Honestly, I was living a savage life. Shame. Yo, I was roughing it out. Okay, so this is what the phone looks like. It says it's got Infinity U display, quad camera, and on-screen fingerprint. Okay, I don't even want to open it, like I want it to stay new forever. Okay, so it comes wrapped around with this little thingy here. Oh, hey baby, want it again? Guys, you can even see my ring light, and you can see the camera, and you can see me inside. Hebana, you can see me inside the camera looking at. Oh, loving it. Okay, let's just do a comparison. Look at this. You, most the girl is me. I have arrived. Ngiyabonga baby. Ngiyabonga shuas. Hey, betuna. Ish. The night is still young, and so are we. I don't know, I'm not gonna even switch it on and anything, because I don't want to switch it on. I haven't charged it, then I damage my phone. I will not do that. Okay, now moving on to my sports watch.
You haven't opened that though.
What? Look, couldn't.
It goes together, babe, isn't it? Oh, they take a box with anything.
Ah, baby, we take a cover.
No, it comes with the cover.
I'm going to think.
Yeah, technically it's
Okay, so it comes with this see-through cover. I was even worried that I'm gonna drop this phone with the first touch, first swipe, baba. Drop, then what? Ah, I like this cover actually. Nice cover. Ooh. Now I'm just gonna be posing for selfies. I hope they won't snatch my phone in the taxi. Oh, I between that would just be something else. Anyways, yeah, so this is the box. This is the little thing for taking out the SIM card, and of course there's the manuals as well. Manuals, what? Baby. Honest truth, guys, I don't know, I had a long day, I'm tired, but my heart is just full of gratitude. My heart is just full of gratitude. Ngiyabonga bakithi. Zaire. Alright, now going on to the sports watch. Hey! Nice. Okay, what's this? Oh, it's got an extra belt. Hi. You sleep belt.
No, it's an extra belt in case that one is too short or too long, whichever the case could be.
Okay. It's gonna be alright. And this is the charger. But how does it work then?
No, you just place the phone, the watch on top of the thing.
Oh, okay. So we've got the charger here, and oh, I put it in the head, in here. Oh, so I just connect the charger here, and then I put my watch on top of the head. Wow, it's a nice matte black with this shiny. Wow, I love it. Guys, I'm not showing off. I know some of you are single. Please, I'm not showing off to anyone. I don't know. I just wanted to unbox my stuff, and it just happens that the person who bought for me is sitting opposite me. Now, what must I say? What must can to be done? What can do? I don't know. I must show my gratitude. Oh, this watch suits me. Oh, look, we get up.
I think so. I don't know.
Cause I will apelito. Oh, Baba. Wow. What a wow. What a mwaveve. It's marvelous, baby. Guys, I don't know what to do with myself. Like, literally, I don't know what to do with myself. Chonga. Not only did I get a new phone, I also got a new watch, and they all work together. Now I can track my runs, I can track my workouts. I don't have to run with a phone. Like before, I would have to run with this phone, literally, and the app that I was using is Strava. So I would be on Strava on this phone. Yo, it's even refusing to tap. Like, literally, go. If I'm trying to swipe, look, it opens hey, I'm trying to swipe, it opens something else. Like, it just doesn't do nix. All right, let's exit. Anyways, I wanted to show you, guys, I can't believe this is me. Really, I can't believe it. Okay, so I would go onto Strava, and then this is the app that I would use to be tracking my runs and everything. Like, on here, tracking my runs, what. So now I would have to run with my phone, carrying it like this. Or I know I'm not supposed to do that, but sometimes I'd be forced to put it inside my sports bra. Like, seriously, can you imagine? So at least now I can track my runs. I can, you know, practice my healthy living in peace and not have to struggle, you know. Yo, guys, I'm so grateful. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Find me on Instagram at yeukai.loreen, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye. No, I just wanted people to know, like, I'm not being funny, or like, I'm not trying to make anyone feel like, you know. I'm just saying, let me know in the comments what phone you're using. Do you get it? Somebody just saying screen card if I'm from so will phone I'm bag. I'm stress. Someone setting like that. Yeah.